Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tutor Bytes. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Reddit's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Reddit's account, firstly go ahead and launch upon your Reddit application on your device. The home page of Reddit will be displayed on the screen. Tap on View option at the bottom right corner of the page. You will end up on the profile section of your Reddit's account. Tap on three lines at the top right corner of the page. From the pop-up, click on Settings. Now on the next page, click on Account Settings for You option. Once you do that, scroll all the way down and tap on Delete Account option. Confirm deletion of your account by tapping on Yes Delete, and once you do that, choose your account that you'd like to delete, and that's how you will be able to delete your Reddit's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.